Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are going to process the NGC 6914. I integrated the data for each of the channel, and actually I'm missing the HA data that sorry, this is wrong. The HA data that I gathered some time ago. So H global HA. There we go. This we will use as luminosity. So let me put it up here. So first thing I want to do is some automatic background extraction, which I have already there. And I'm going to replace target image. So I'm going to do it for each of the channels. And the last one. It's quite fast. Let me do like this actually. Sometimes, yeah. As you can see, sometimes you get different results. Oh, they look really similar, but okay, they are not. Are they? Yeah, they are not. We can see it from the different cut, at least. And then I will do a linear fit in order to balance the channels. And I will use the green. So how is it called? Green or G? Green. Let me do on the red, then on the blue. We need to run it 2 times on the channel that we are actually not using as a reference. Take some seconds. Okay, so we did on the red. Now we are going to do it on the blue. Okay, and now it's done. Then I go to channel combination and I use red, green, and blue. And we should get our image. Let's see. Okay. It looks almost okay. So let me think here. Okay. So this is the RGB. Let me reduce those 3. So I'm going to put the red, green, and blue. Channel combination we used, it's okay. I will make a copy. I want to do immediately a star mask with the star net, so that it will be easier to use the various processes. And let's see. Okay, that's our non-linear copy. And then I will use starnet Actually, let me think. Yeah. No, I don't want to do it on the RGB part because later I will use it on the actually H alpha that I will use as a luminosity mask. Then I go to the SCNR to remove the green cast. Okay, let's do let's extract now the luminosity mask from here. Let's see. Okay, here we are. We'll call this Ha-RGB. Mask. Okay, I'm putting the mask up here. And here, I'm doing the same actually. And I'm applying the mask we just created. I'm going to invert it. I'm going to do some denoising. So I'm going to use the multi-scale linear transform, and lightness is okay. And I'm going to apply it 2-3 times. It really depends. Okay, so let's try to see the detail if something changed. You see luminance. It's going to take some seconds. Okay. Could be better. Let's do one last time. It's going to take some seconds. Okay, so we have done some denoising, and now what I will do is I will remove the mask and I will delinearize this image actually. So I'm going to use the screen transform function and histogram transformation. I'm going to drag the triangle here, and then actually I want to see the preview. I want to see the preview and see if I can actually improve the final result. So let me zoom here a bit. Yeah, okay. I want it quite bright so that I can see really all the nebulosity everywhere, and then later I will adjust, let's say, the how lightness there is, and I will make it darker and more contrasty. Okay, so I can close the preview. This is actually our image now, and in the end, as you can see, there is pretty much a lot of noise. This image actually has really a short time exposure, but the good part is that I can use this H-alpha luminosity mask. It will greatly improve the detail, and it will also help reducing the noise. I took a lot more data on the H-alpha actually than on the color, which is quite okay in the end, I hope. As you can see, there is this nice blue area around these 4 stars. That's the characteristic of this NGC 6914. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work a bit on the H-alpha data. So I'm going, let's call this RGB so that we know that is our color image. And then we go back here. So here we will do the deconvolution first. But to do the deconvolution, I need to do some tweaks. So first of all, I'm going to do a delinearization. So it's non-linear, and I will now actually use the StarNet process on this one, and I will check the create mask here so that I will get this star mask, and this will take some minutes. So in the meantime we wait. We can do some browsing on Astrobeam. Okay, image of the day, the comet. That's nice. Wow, that's really nice. I like it. This is done Sharp Star Optic 130 f2.8. Okay, this is a very fast telescope. Nice. Well done, Carlos Sagan. Let's see here. Let's go and check some NGC 6914 to get inspiration. And let's select upward. And then we do image of the day. Well, let's see if there are image of the day that will okay. Wow. Really nice image, I have to say. Yeah, basically this area here. It's also very nice. Yeah. They are all really close-up images of this area here. Very nice. Okay, so it's not like we're going to get much fantasy color. It's red and some blue. Okay, we are at 42% here. All those images are RGB. Let's go to topic. Let's remove the image of the day. SHO. Ah, you see, with narrowband it's really hard. Sorry. It's really hard to see the blue part, eh? Okay, you have some blue here, but where those three group of stars are, you cannot see much. This area is really rich of oxygen and data. This area here. Let's see here. Okay, this is a very wide field, wide field. Peak. That's nice. Going back to the image of the day. I will leave this image like is here to see actually the level of darkness I will obtain. Seems to be different. Compared to here. We will check. See the original. The difference is not so clear. Did you remove the spikes here? No, but they are reduced. Okay. Well. Wow. I actually bought this camera today, used. Price was very good, so I'm going to have a second setup to make some more image. Good, so we have the star mask now, the StarNet. As you can see, this is the starless version of the luminosity, let's say, of the H alpha data. I'm going to make a copy. Here I'm going to go back here so that I can use as a mask. And now what I will do before using the deconvolution is to actually analyze the image to obtain the star shape that is, let's say, typical of the no stars. Wow, why not? Probably I clicked on the wrong image. Evaluate. Why? Okay, now it's working. It was very strange that that error, so I must have selected probably the starless image. So will take some seconds, should be less than a minute, and we should be able then to do the convolution. We'll just do slight deconvolution. I don't want to make anything particular. And it will just help me enhancing this nebulosity while leaving the rest untouched. So we can get some more details, and it should be, say, a crispier image. Oh, it's taking some time, but when this is over, I will click on create. It will create an image, very small image with a typical star, let's say. And the star will help us doing the local deringing with the convolutional process. And this will help save the area around the star, that usually if you don't do this, you will get some weird ring that looks bad. So as you can see, typical shape is okay. So oops, what it did, it created an image with the typical star shape here. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to reduce all these other processes that I used before. I will open deconvolution and I will select actually this image, which is called PSF. And here at the ringing, I am usually good with say a value of the global dark around this 0.0028. And then as a local support, we will use the star mask, which we created before with the star net. And that should be okay. Let's make a quick preview to see. Okay, actually I need to put first the mask. So I'm going to oh wait, I'm going to actually, I selected the wrong mask. Select and what is name? HA clone. HA clone is the correct mask. Yes, I think so. Okay, that's correct. But wait, I want to do something more that should help me even more. Okay, let's make first a test to see if there is some good results like this. it's good enough, then I will keep it like this, and that's okay. If not, I have an idea to actually remove those stars from the selection of the mask. Okay, let's make a copy of the preview. Let's zoom like this. And I want to have, okay. I'm going to enlarge it so that you can see better. Wait. Okay. So this is the original, and this is the convoluted one. So there is some more detail. It should be okay. So we can run it on the whole image, and we will check that there are good results. If not, I will do this additional passage, which will exclude the stars from the actually base mask. It's taking some time. Nice. Okay, let's go and check. Yeah, that's okay. So the convolution is done. I'm going to delete all the preview. And now I'm going to do some denoising here. So actually I will invert the mask, correct? And we do some denoise. Let's go. Oh, I don't like this. I like this. Some trial and error is always necessary. Check if you like it or not. Not. PixInsight is very good to go back on the single image, so each image has a separate history of modification that you've done. And that's a very nice thing. Okay. Here I start to see some result. One more time. This is, I think, my real first RGB image I've ever taken, at least for an emission nebula. Let me check. It's okay. Okay. I was actually applying in the wrong area, but that's okay. I need some denoising also on the nebulosity so that it's more, let's say, soft. There are no grains, no noise. Okay, yeah, now I see it. Okay, that's why it was strange. But it's easy. We went back and now we are good to go again. Okay, quick check. Yeah, that's good. One more and that's it for the noise. After this we will merge together this image, the RGB image that we created before. So this was the color image. As you can see, it's pretty noisy, but now we will unify them and it will look much better. So let me remove the mask. Let me remove all the previews. Good. So now H alpha is the name of this image. RGB OK is the name of this other. I'm going to delinearize this image. So I need the screen transfer function and I need the histogram transformation. Let's reset it. Let's go here. Let's go here. And let's go here. Good. So this is now not linear and I can really merge them. Ha-RGB combination. So it's the H alpha. I open this and I will make actually a copy. Let's see. Let's see how different it is. We will make some trial and error to check that we are actually getting good results. I'm using the default parameter here, so nothing special. Usually it's quite okay. $95. It's almost done. Let's see. D6. Well, looks much cleaner, but the blue parts are completely gone. And this is no bueno. Okay. Give me my blue part back. Lightness, let me check here. Let me go like this. Let me see what happens. Oh, actually, I will do it on a preview, or we are going to wait always too long. This is the area I really care about, so let's try it here. Well, we lost quite a lot. Loan. To go here now to see the difference of the effect of the saturation bar here. So looks like I want to see really the stars. Well, are quite reddish, and they are anyway quite reddish. I need to fix this. Let's make another test. So let's go lightness. Let's increase the lightness. It's for sure not good. It's not good. Try. Really getting horrible results with this. Reset. Let's go the opposite way. Wow, that's horrible. So let me reduce this. Let me reduce this. Let's check like this. Let's try to reduce the weight, the power of the... Okay. That's already much better. That's already much better. So let me try to create a mask to protect this area. So first let me do some temporary change in order to highlight this area. And you, let me go here, let me go here. Let me see the preview. Let's zoom it here. There is not really a huge difference actually. Not able to separate. Let me go to saturation then. Yeah, let me increase the saturation like this so that the blue is more evident. Wow. Then I want to select the color actually. So I will use a color mask, which should be somewhere around here. Color mask. Let's try to isolate the cyan. See if we get something that we can use. Well, actually, not much. Let's try again. Patch, utilities, color mask. Let's try the blue. Let's see if we can get something better from here. Wow, the blue. Let's do the following then. Range selection. Not easy. So let's do like this. Let's close it. Let's do... I'm trying to really do some strange way, find some strange way where I can really isolate that area. Not so easy as in Photoshop. Let's try like this. Let's see what's going to happen. what's the name of that image? Range mask. Okay, let's apply the range mask. Actually it's not so good. Oh, not easy. It's not good. This no bueno. Let's go here. Let's try. Okay. Not easy. Let's select your range mask. Let's visualize. You see. Okay, let's try something strange. Clone stamp, please. Cloney. 150. Let's cancel everything that we don't need. Now let's go bigger. Wow. It's going to... It's going to take some time, but it's unavoidable. Sometime with this software is not like you can do, or at least I'm not able to. Probably I will have another try maybe on Photoshop. For the moment this has to do the job for tonight. Let's do like this. I think they will, when they will release another mask level of process in PixInsight, they will be fully able to call it the version 2. because this will be game changer. Take some time, but you have to do it. I hope it's worth the effort. Okay. Inshallah, it will work. I hope it will work. Let's see. Hey. Oh, I cancelled. I cancelled too much. Nah. Let's go back. Can I go back here? Watch. Too much. Let's do 2050. Okay. Bye. Not enough. Not enough. Process. Don't stop. Let's see. Almost. Almost. Okay, should be enough for the moment. Anyway. So now that I have the mask, let me check. Okay, this I can reduce, this I can reduce, this I can reduce. Let's see like this. It looks weird. And maybe we need to adjust a bit the fuzziness of the border. Well, I see. I see. Need to invert. And I want to do an adjustment here, because if not, it will look horrible. Okay, and we do like this. Let's do like this. Range mask 1. Okay. Let's go reset and Ha-RGB combination. Let's see. Well, let's do like this. Okay. Wow. The stars are so much better. But I really need to make this area, the whole area here. Let me take this one. Let me do like this. Oops. Range mask. Okay, okay. So we should see real time now what I'm touching and what I'm not touching. Don't stamp. Wow, let's do. Yes. Well, let me. It's takes a bit of time, but I think it will be really worth it in this area to really save this area from being touched. Okay. I think there is some light area here. Okay. It should be much better. And then I go to range selection again. I will some. I want it really gradual so that doesn't look horrible. And I will do it locally here. Okay. But if I do it like this, oh, it will always create a new one. Great. Great. Range mask 2. Yeah, that's you. That's you. Okay. So let's reduce here. Let's reduce this. And let's go back to the Ha-RGB combination. Where are you? I lost it. Let's reopen it from here. Ha-RGB combination. Let's go. See. Oh yes, the blue part is preserved. Nice. Now I need to find actually it's much more detailed. Uh, it's really good. Now what I will do is another clone, and I will use actually the chrominance reduction was there. I just want to do another test. Maybe put 0.8 here. Then I will check the differences. Okay. No, actually this looks quite okay. Stars are slightly bigger. Slightly more natural, I guess. Me do this. Sorry. Reset. Let's do like this. I'm liking how it's coming out. To see if I'm really preserving this area here. Yes, I am. Good. Ooh. I think this looks more balanced, so I will go to 85. And now I want to check something else. I want to check the saturation if I go upper. How it's going to look. Actually, it's worse. Is clearly worse. Therefore, I will go over here. I like it more like this. It's more vivid. Actually, very nice. One last test. And let's see if the lightness is increased. Going to happen. No, I don't like this. I'm blind. Something like this. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's do it like this. It's taking some time. I removed the mask by mistake. Change mask 2. Oh, let's invert it. Let's go. Didn't look too bad. Reduction. Samyang. Wow. I need to get this lens. Truly, 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 truly. I think. Yeah, I remember. I remember this person. I'm going to follow him. He's very good. So let's see here. What is this area here? Let's go. You. Not easy. What? Hmm. Finding it difficult to get what I want. It's already better, I guess. That's already better. It's a lot of red anyway. Okay, this one we do. Then okay, then we do the following. I'm going to create a mask, which is a combo. Preview, delete all. Okay, so I'm going to use pixel mask here. I want to do let's use the expression editor. I want to make the sum of range mask plus star mask. Okay, create a new image, grayscale. Let's go. Good. I'm going to do something even better because I really want to protect the stars. I don't want them to be blown. I don't like them to be so big. So we'll make, say, a copy of this, and I will increase the size of the stars so that my mask is actually more protective. Like this should be okay. Then I will go back to pixel mask, and I will do 3 times the star mask clone. I'm going to create this image with very strong stars so that they are really left alone, and I'm going to update this mask, which is the image 28, and I'm going to, it's actually much bigger than this. Let's see. No, I need to make them bigger. Okay. Okay, let's do like this. Mask clone, pixel math, and I'm going to do only 2. Let's see. Image 30. Correct one. Well, these RGB. These RGB stars are worse. Okay, I have the solution. Forget about this. And preview. We do it once again. The StarNet. It's needed some more time, but it will be useful. 40%. Wow. Like imaging, that's correct, but that's nice. Oh. He's beautiful. Akura. Mm-hmm. 70%. Slowly, slowly, we're getting there. $60 only. $87. Okay, we got it. Let's make a copy just in case. Now let's go back here on this one. Here I will extract the luminosity. Okay, so this we should not need. This is, we call it star, okay? Star RGB. And then what we do is we make a copy. This we put it here. And then we enlarge it as we did before. Now you'd expect that I can actually create an image where expression editor, the name is star RGB. Is this the one that I enlarged or not? Actually not. So where is he? So page identifier, no, that's okay. So I will make a copy since I lost it. RGB clone 1. Oh, okay, so it must be star RGB clone. Pixel mask star RGB clone. Let's create it. And now this is image 36. Let's apply it here. Invert. Actually now I see the stars are pretty much saved. Let's do this again. Okay. Let's see what's going to happen. I already put like. Okay. So I actually like that the stars are not really affected now. Now I'm going to overrate a bit here. Again, as I did before, let's see. Want it to be quite fat at the extremes. Something like this. I think that's okay. Actually, I think like this is okay too. Oh. Okay, this I will apply now. And I like that the stars are not getting bloated. Then let's reset this. Now, I'm really not able to change this red color. I don't understand why. Yeah. Now, actually, what I want to do is another thing, because now I'm getting the enlarged one, so I just want to create one like this. I want to apply the stars for the real image, the real size they have. Okay. Now let's go back here. Oh yes, because before I was looking at the border. Stars. Wait. Another tentative. H37, yes, remove it. Pixel math. I will remove this multiplier. I will remove this multiplier, and the 38 is the new winner. Okay. You know what? Not convinced. And I will do it on this one. The Ha-RGB combination. I think that there is some artifact around the star, because I chose a mask that is protecting it and is quite stronger, which I don't like. So I'm going to repeat it. Yes, yes. It's okay. It's also okay, I guess. Let's apply it. Hey. Page must do. Correct. Okay. Oof. Okay. Was scared for a moment. Let me think. Okay. Let me try one thing now. Let's do. Let's put another time the mask. Okay, that's good. No, I don't like it. Oh. Let's do. Script. I think that's too much. It's better, please. Let's see. Mm-hmm. I forgot what I wanted to do. Incredible. Ah, yes, now I remember. Color calibration, no thank you. Well, let's see. I actually don't dislike it. Actually like it. I actually think it's okay. Well, let's save these. Save RGB. Why now? I want to save also this because you never know that I need to do some modification. Range mask. Now let's do a proper crop. Let's finalize the image. Really like the area around here. Well,